Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I no, it's not a hack, but it's like cheating on a typing test. And therefore I used a neural network which I trained using TensorFlow, which is made by Google. You can check out on Wikipedia or the Google homepage. It should be quite clear. It's quite awesome. You can train your own networks, but as I'm no specialist in how this actually works, I'm not gonna go that deep into it. But I wrote this little script which basically the only thing it does, it takes a screenshot and crops it to where the frame of the typing test is, which is that area around here. And then it looks for the orange square and uses Google's neural network to find out what letter it is. So if I do the typing test by myself, for comparison, I'm about that speed. And all in all, I'm a bit faster in the German version because I'm used to the words. So in German, I do around 100 words per minute when I have a good day. And well, so the software should be very much faster, as you might expect. And the script runs pretty fine, but I kind of would have expected it to be faster. But I think that's due to the fact that it screenshots and saves them to disk and then reads it again, because oh no, it doesn't even save to disk. Oh, my bad, I did that like half a year back. But in this version it doesn't save that to disk. But all in all, it's pretty fast. I will show you. So here's the typing test. The coordinates for the screenshot, I put these in here. These get overwritten because I am in full screen mode. That would be the coordinates for full screen, and that for half the screen. So I can try it out by running the script, not clearing. Oh, I did some weird tests to check whether everything's working, but the script is here, and if I start that, oh, hi Siri. If I start that, it loads everything, and then if I press Ctrl and write, then it's gonna start. And oh, that happened. I don't know actually why that happened, but as far as I can tell, if I rerun it, it worked. Now it says started. I don't know. So it says it is the letter C, and it presses the letter for the program which is active, and that is at the terminal, and that's why I printed it out there. So I can go to that Firefox window and press C, and as soon as I press C, it should start. So you can see it's running, and I used the yeah, it makes some mistakes. I actually don't know why, and I used the English version because there are no special letters like in the German version, and there are very few. I think there are a few, but there aren't that many capital letters, so I could reduce my my alphabet to 26 letters, and that really helped because training is more effective because we only have half the data. And yeah, so let that run. It actually does pretty good, and you can see it's very much faster than I were. Like 16 presses per second, like continuously, and I'm like 14 on my maximum. So it finished. It says letter not found because, yeah, where should it so I can stop it, and you see it does 962 tabs. I don't know how they're called in English. Keys per minute or so. So like 180 words, and as I said, my good times, I do 100 words. I don't want to add me to the ranking because that's cheating, you know. But we can have a look. So This is the ranking of the last 7 days, which I could assign into it, and I have 2,036 points. And you can see the current number 1, whether that's real or not, I hope it's real, but he has 1,300 points with 600 taps per minute, and I have 900 and 2,000 points, so you can clearly see that it's way faster. And I think that's kind of cool, and that's definitely success. So yeah, these, I don't know, how much is these? 188 lines of code for the software. And I have a little trainer. I trained it by taking screenshots of this thing for every letter. And yeah, I did a little script for that. And then trained with these 26 letters, but I don't know how much. It was pretty fast with TensorFlow. But yeah, all in all, I think it's very, very successful. And I'd love to hear your opinion, and maybe someone can get... I think I will upload my project folder, and maybe someone gets it to run and has some fun with it, or can learn from the code. I don't know. I don't even know whether it's good code. It was just like a one-day project. But I wanted to show, and I hope you like it. Subscribe and like and leave your opinion. That would be awesome. Thank you very much.